At Bramble Co Ltd, our expert team of garage door fitters have over 30 years experience, and all our work is carried out to the highest standards. We offer a wide range of garage doors, including sectional, up and over, steel, timber, GRP, round the corner and roller doors. So if you need a repair service or would like to automate an existing garage door, or if you're after a new garage door to replace an old one, or perhaps are building a new garage on your property, then look no further than Bramble Co Ltd.